This is the story of the Titanic. Construction on the Titanic began in March 1909. Director of White Star Line was Bruce Ismay. The captain of Titanic was Edward John Smith. 2,200 people boarded Titanic in Southampton, England. Titanic started its maiden voyage on April 10, 1912. First few days at sea were normal, and people explored the ship. The richest passengers stayed in first-class cabins. People with a little less money stayed in second-class cabins. The poorest passengers stayed in third-class cabins. Titanic was sailing at 26 knots despite iceberg warnings. Titanic collided with an iceberg at 11:40 p.m. It took 2 hours and 40 minutes for the Titanic to sink. Carpathia saved 705 Titanic passengers. Survivors on the Carpathia arrived in New York on April 18th. 1,500 people died on the Titanic.
Welcome to another great edition of The Adventures of Scholar Man and Scholar Woman, the show where we look for evidence of scholarly behavior around the world. Today, we visit the students at the recently awarded California Distinct School Chester Memorial Academy. Do they withhold the powers of scholarly behavior? Do they take risks? Are they always prepared, or do they exercise their intellect? Let's find out! How do you save ideas?
Glad you asked. So saving ideas, one of the things I do is when I learn something or I research something, I find a way to remember and save my idea, and then I apply it in another way.
Do you use multiple resources?
I use multiple resources, so I have my laptop, and on my laptop I also have 3 screens so that I can be doing multiple things at one time. I use my books, my computers, my journal. I even use my phone to take notes and to communicate and to research. So I use everything all the time, constantly.
About how the Unique Box shows taking risks. You have to put yourself out in front of the school and share. I know it can be very scary, but it can also be very beneficial for you. You can even make some new friends. If sometimes in life you have to take big risks to win big goals, you can hear other people's goals and share your own. And you have the whole, since you're sharing it to the school, you have the whole school to support you through your goals.
My name is Kai, and I dance hip hop. I could do a head spin, and I could talk in a British accent.
These are Ozobots. They show curiosity in the iTeam lab because they're controlled by a special color marker that you can use on a blank piece of paper. Sometimes technology does not work, and you can ask a question: what should I code for the Ozobot next?
These are the B-bots. We show academic humility in the iTeam lab by learning how to code new obstacles.
How do you set goals? By running more laps than last time. And how are you just going to be prepared for that? By bringing water and wearing tennis shoes. This is Caden. He is sad. He's looking for some friends. Caden, do you want to play tag-ball with us?
The Buddy Bench shows multiple perspectives because you put yourself in their shoes. It also shows ponder ideas by thinking what my new friend will be like. garden, it is important to be prepared.
You need to use different materials for different things. For example, a shovel. It'll help you dig.
We also exercise our intellect by keeping track of the data in the compost pile.
The TMA garden rocks. Wow, these students at TMA sure practice their scholarly attributes. They sure did. That was another great edition of The Adventures of Scholar Man and Scholar Woman. See you next time.